Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to join Gorilla Tag modding Discord server. First of all, what you have to do is open your Discord on your PC. Once the Discord has been opened, you have to click on the Discover button, which you will see on the bottom left side. You have to click on Discover. Now from here, you have to select the server option from here. Click on server, then you'll be able to see a search bar on the top right corner. Click on search, and you have to search for Gorilla space tag. Hit enter. Then you will be able to see a list of servers that Discord will show you. The first one is the Gorilla Tag, so you don't have to join this one. And the second one is the Gorilla Tag modding group. You have to click on this group. As you can see, the group has been opened. Now you can access the Gorilla Tag modding group, but in order to join the group, what you have to do, you'll be able to see a Join Gorilla Tag modding group button. What simply you have to do is click on the join. And then you still haven't joined the group, so you have to click on complete. Once you click on complete, this pop-up window will appear. You have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you have to check this box, I have read and agreed to the rules. Click on it and click on submit, and you have successfully joined the Gorilla Tag modding Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.